So now let's move on to skill 3, which is avoid similar sound. So the strategy for this skill is the first one, identify keywords in the last line of the dialogues. Second, identify words in the answer that contain similar sounds and do not choose this answer. Jadi uh, jangan choose sound yang similar, yang sama gitu. Kayak two, three, two, two sama two ke sama two dua gitu, atau three tiga atau three gitu. Itu tuh harus dihindari. Now let's take a look at the exercise. Number 1.
TOEFL Exercise 3. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be careful to avoid answers with similar sounds. Number 1.
How long until you'll be ready to leave?
First, I need to water the grass.
What does the woman mean?
So the woman said, first, I need to water the grass, right? So let's take a look at the answer. A, she has to wait for some cash. Grass and cash. Remember to avoid the similar sounds. And then, so it's not the answer, the A. And then B, the waiter is bringing a glass of water. Glass of water is not the answer because it's kind of similar with need to water the grass, right? So B is not the answer. And then D, she needs to watch out for a crash. Grass and crash is kind of similar sound, so D is not the answer. And then C, the lawn is too dry. There's no any similar sound in this answer, so the answer is C. The lawn is too dry. C. Now, move on to number 2.
Number 2. Do you think I should buy this sweater?
But it doesn't really seem to fit right.
What does the woman mean?
So the woman said, but it doesn't seem to fit right. Doesn't seem to fit right. So let's take a look at B. Fit in here. Fit on the dialogue means cukup kayak muat gitu. Dan di sini di B, the man's fit kaki. Itu tuh kayak similar sound. Kita harus menghindarinya. Jadi yang B itu bukan jawabannya. Terus yang C, the sweater makes the man seems fat. Fat itu fat dan fit kan, kayak similar. Jadi yang C juga bukan jawabannya. Terus yang D, the sweet girl doesn't feel right. Fit right sama feel right itu kan kayak sama ya. Jadi D juga bukan jawaban yang benar. Terus let's take a look at the A. The sweater's the wrong side. Nah, jadi jawabannya itu yang A. Karena gak ada any similar sound di sini juga ya. Jadi jawabannya itu yang A. Now let's take the next question.
Number 3.
Is Walter's job near here?
Walter's been commuting to Boston on a regular basis.
What does the man say about Walter?
So let's take a look at the A. He has been regularly using a computer. Commuting and computer. itu kayak sama ya, hampir sama, similar sound. Jadi yang A itu bukan jawabannya. Terus kita lihat yang B. He communicates with a Boston company. Commuting ya, bukan yang ini, yang B tuh communicates. Jadi commuting sama communicates itu kayak similar ya. Jadi yang B juga bukan jawaban yang benar. Terus yang C. He regularly goes to communities around Boston. Commuting sama communities itu juga hampir sama ya, kayak similar sound. Jadi yang C juga bukan jawabannya. Terus kita lihat yang D. He has been traveling back and forth to Boston. Di sini gak ada similar sound di jawaban yang D ini. Berarti jawabannya itu yang D. He has been traveling back and forth to Boston.